Ayan po, pauwi na kami. Anong oras na? 9:30. 218 miles ang bubunuin niya. Kasi siya driver eh. So sit back and relax. Yan po, nilagay ko dito yung aking shawl kasi minsan yung sun nandito sa mukha ko eh ultraviolet yun, di ba? Mag-iingat po tayo sa ating skin, lalo na dito sa pagbabiyahe ng malayo kasi masama sa skin yung ang ultraviolet rays. Takpan natin yung ating mukha. Ayan po, nasa highway pa po kami. Ang daming cellphone towers, oh. Kaya kung gagawa ng krimen, matetrace po kung saan kayo nagdaan. Pero kahit malayo na kayo dyan, matetrace pa rin kayo. Ang mga kriminal po, may mga cellphones. Parang tayong lahat, hindi pwedeng walang cellphone. Kaya nahuhuli po yung mga kriminal eh. Dahil dyan sa mga cellphone towers. Yan naman po yung mga poste ng ilaw.
Honey, those towers that you were talking about, they're not cell phone towers. They're electricity pylons. We have lots of them in the UK, especially around industrial areas.
Oh, is it not
They're not for cell phones, they're for electricity. They supply all the industrial estates with electricity. And that's what they are, they're electricity pylons.
but it looks like cellphone towers.
No, it's not cell phone tower.
Well, how do you know if it's cellphone tower or not?
You don't see very many cell phone towers because cell phones work by satellite.
Because our cell phone towers in the Philippines are like that.
Well, all cell phones in this country go via satellite. They don't have towers. They have towers for radio signals, and TV signals. They have towers, but not for cell phones. It's all done by computer and satellite.
But in America, cell phone towers are like that.
Maybe they are in America, I don't know. But in this country, those towers that you were looking at are electricity towers. It's more over there. But if you look, it's got all the electricity wires coming up with it. They're all electricity wires.
In America, they trace the criminals through cell phone towers. For example, there's a map of a road, and there's one cell phone tower in that location, and the criminal passed through that road, and his cell phone was signaled by that tower.
Maybe that was in a rural area, like a remote area, where they don't get a very good satellite signal. If you don't get a very good satellite signal, they would use a booster aerial. In about an hour and a half we'll be home.
What's that for?
Well,
That
it's a wind farm. The wind makes the propellers go round, which works a generator, and It's to do with climate change. It stops people. It's supposed to replace using fossil fuel to fuel generators with electricity.
So, you have your thermos there, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to the toilet.
Me too.
Let's use this pathway. Ayan po, naka-jingle na kami. McDonald's po ang tinda dito. Tsaka Krispy Kreme. At may mga salad. May baon naman kaming tinapay. At siya merong kape. Nasa thermos. So halfway na po kami. Ayan po, huwag kalimutang uminom ng vitamin supplements kahit bumibiyahe. At ito naman po, vitamin D, mamaya na. After an hour. So, siya na muna kakain. Kasi papababain ko pa yung vitamin ko. At least naka-jingle na kami. Mahirap pagka walang toilet no? Pagka apat-apat lang. Maybe before, long time ago, the services in the motorway here are not so many.
It's probably just a cafe, a transport cafe. Years ago, before these big places and the big motorways were built, this probably was just a transport stop, like a cafe.
So what the people do when they want to wee?
Well, transport cafes have normally got a toilet there anyway.
Yeah, but I know, but when it's so scarce, not so many.
Oh,
They have to travel
you have to hold it.
controlling.
Either that'll take an empty bottle with you.
Oh, okay. Kawawa naman yung mga matatanda noon, ano. How many miles in between the services here?
Probably an average of about 40 miles between services.
40 miles?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because I saw
Well, it depends.
about 25 miles.
Yeah, but it depends on what motorway you're on.
Yeah.
In this motorway, it's probably about, from where we got on to where we come off, it's probably about another 2 or 3 services.
Is it?
Yeah. We got about another 90 miles to go, and there's only about another two services on the way back before we get onto the M25.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you get on the M25, there's no services.
Before you were born,
Before motorways were built, you just had to stop off wherever you could. If you couldn't wait until you got to the services, the little motorway cafe, you would stop at the side of the road, open the door to give you a bit of privacy and have a wee in the side.
alam nyo ba, wala akong ligo at nakalimutan kong magdala ng panty liners. Wala silang tabo. Pwede naman akong gumawa ng tabo ko. Kaya lang may laman pa to. Alangan namang laklaking ko itong lahat. Baka naman ako magkasakit para magkatabo lang. So, ang ginawa ko, yung facial wipe, yun na lang pinang-wipe ko dun sa fanny ko. Pero, hindi enough yun. Ganun kaming makisama. Kung walang tabo, magpandekot ka na lang. Parang ginagawa nila. Sa bagay, hindi naman kami pinapawisan, kaya yung kili-kili ko hindi pa naman maanghit. At mainit ang ulo ko kasi nga, yung first night namin, hindi inon yung heater ni Uncle Jerry. Kundi ko pa sinabihan, could you please turn on your heater? Come on, please, I beg of you. Here is £5 for tonight's gas. Ayaw naman tanggapin, parang napahiya. Dapat lang. Tapos sabi ko, when you come to our place, we turn the heater for you, full blast. Yeah. I will turn it on. I will turn it on. He has a breathing problem. Turn it on, please. Kasi ito walang walang voice. Pinagpapasensyahan niya. Ako wala akong pasensya sa mga ganun eh. Papatayin niya kami sa hypothermia? Kaya iniisip ko minsan, baka ayaw na kami papuntahin doon. O makunat lang talaga siya. Sobrang kunat. Makunat pa doon sa, ano ba yung makunat na kinain ko? Tira-tira. Makunat pa sa tira-tira ang puta. So hindi siguro akalain ni Uncle Jerry na pagsasabihan ko siya ng ganun. Hindi ko na i-record eh. Kasi syempre makikita ng mga kamag-anak. Sasabihin, ganun pala si Cheryl. Ganito talaga ako, no? Wag ako. Bakit? Ano akala nila? Oh, okay na. Akala nila tanga ko. Okay na. Huminahon ka. Mainit ang ulo ko guys, pasensya na kayo. Kasi ba naman, hindi pa ako tumatawag ng 2 araw. Bakit kanyo? Ang dumi ng kasilyas eh. Nung last time ako naglinis noon, bago ko gamitin. Alangan namang pagpupunta kami doon, ako maglilinis no. Manigas siya. May dala-dala pa nga akong alcohol para dun sa mga knob ng pinto ng toilet at dun sa basurahan pagka binuksang ganun pinupush kasi yung basurahan yung pinaka-pushan ang dumi. Inalcohol ko muna bago ko ilagay yung mga basura. Kung makikisama ka at magiging dugyot ka rin, huwag ka na lang pumunta, di ba? Kaya I save the best for last. Huwag muna nga akong uminom. Baka ako matay sa daan. You want some Krispy Kreme donuts?
Yeah. I'm going to start the car, go and get some fuel and be on our way. Let's go.
We're finished. Magpapagas muna kami kasi wala nang laman yung yung tangke ng gasolina. Guys, yan ang mga charger ng what do you call the electric cars?
Electric cars, EVs.
Electric cars. Yan po, dito sila nagcha-charge. Ayaw naman namin ng electric car. Here we go, traffic going to London.